Hi, my name is Michelle Panis.
Hi, I'm Diane Owen. I'm from Lehi, Utah.
Hi, I'm Ashley Scott from Denver, Colorado.
Hi, I'm Mary Ann Berry and I'm from West Point, Mississippi, and I've been a member of the Brandt's Baby Academy.
The arm is going to be down to the side. So you can do whatever you want when she's wrapped. I can do a little bow and then I can take this off and then it's just a little shooting. So I would be here.
I came down to Tustin to do the Belly Baby Academy.
It has been an absolutely awesome experience.
I've learned so much, especially how to value my own work, value my own time, learn to be really confident in my wrapping and my lighting.
This isn't doing anything for me.
Yeah.
So I need something to go in there and then
Wrapping, angles, light, business, marketing, pricing, you name it, we hit on it. It was excellent.
One of the main things that I have learned this week is angles, which have always been somewhat of an issue with me, and also light placement. And so I'm really excited to take that back with me to my studio and put that in play.
I really just need one sharp, amazing image. I don't need 10. So I'll just make sure it's that sharp. I do want his face out a little bit more. See how his face is barely.
For me, I think the confidence of knowing that I can wrap a baby, light a baby, shoot a baby, edit a baby, and deliver a full gallery of consistent images with the confidence of a professional newborn photographer was my biggest achievement this weekend.
I learned so much at the Baby Academy, specifically information about marketing and pricing, and then of course posing and styling and great angles. So I've been a hobbyist looking to start my business, and I feel like I have the tools now to get going.
My future plans are just to keep on with hopefully building my newborn clientele in West Point, Mississippi. Thank you.
I'm opening a new studio next month, and I feel like I can go into it with a lot of confidence coming out from learning with Anna. It's great to learn from her and build the confidence I need to open the new studio.
Well, I'll adjust the color of the bear and the hat so it all kind of goes. This is my favorite fabric. So I lean on someone I know. And then here, I'm going to ask you a question.